Hey, Larry.
Hey, Donnie, how's it going, man?
Good.
Good day for a spin?
Oh, yeah.
All right, hop aboard when you're ready.
All right, as easy as that. Good to see you.
Good to see you, brother. How's it going?
Good.
Little safety about the boat. It's an FRC, fast rescue craft. Very safe. Anytime we're moving, just hold on to a rail or something like that. When you're sitting on the collar on the sides, just keep your weight inside the boat as opposed to leaning out over. And keep your camera in, inside the boat as much as you can in case we hit a little wake of a ship or something like that. Other than that, we'll talk to Coast Guard, let them know we're in and out of the harbour here today, and keep it safe and have a bit of fun.
I'm in good hands here now with Larry. Let's get on the go.
All right, we'll get rolling.
All right. This is great by Larry. Good to see you.
That's my nice day, man.
And I'm in good hands with a true adventure person.
Well, listen, you do it safe and you still have fun, right?
Yeah, exactly.
That's the main thing.
Yeah.
I mean, look at the day we got.
That's where I slept. My tent is still up there. I'm gonna have a great rest when I get back tonight with all this salt air. So we're coming up to Fort Amherst, and Fort Amherst got a great history. In the 1700s, an Admiral Amherst from London won a bet and won back St. John's from the French. So that's an amazing story.
Well, we're here on a beautiful, calm day, just outside the Narrows in St. John's, Newfoundland and Labrador. Perfect conditions. You picture this now, middle of the winter, a gale, going on, 15, 20-foot seas, bouncing off the rocks here, and you got to go out in a sailing vessel and then launch off that in a dory to go fish. We take a lot of it for granted, but I never take being on the ocean for granted. It's you got to respect it, and if you don't, it can take you away, and we all know that, right?
Yeah. Well, Larry, take us away now to the gut.
Yeah, we'll head to the gut.
Yeah. Well, everybody, how do you love Donnie Love's tour? You never know where you're going to be when you wake up. I mean, I was just outside the tent here, and we went on an e-bike, and now I'm in a boat going to the gut. It's a tight squeeze to get in. We're going into Vidi, also known as the gut. This is beautiful to be in this fishing village and to see the fishing stages where they used to, salt their fish and, and just a nice, wholesome life they had. Yeah. Well, Larry, what a day, man. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome, Donnie. Anytime, man.
That was
Glad
awesome.
you enjoyed it.
I'll talk to you later.
This is your stop, brother. We'll see ya.
Woo! That was amazing. See you, buddy.